swag, meaning pronunciation, swag. Swag can have multiple meanings. It often refers to a confident, cool, and stylish attitude or appearance. It can also mean free promotional items, or in older slang, stolen goods. Simple meaning: swag equals 1. A cool and confident attitude. 2. Free promotional gifts. 3. Stolen goods slang. Common uses. 1. Swag noun: a cool or stylish attitude or appearance. Example: he walked into the room with so much swag. 2. Swag noun: free promotional items or gifts, often given at events. Example: the company handed out swag like t-shirts and hats at the conference. 3. Swag noun: slang, stolen goods or merchandise. Example: the thieves were caught with stolen swag. 4. Swag verb: to carry or move in a stylish manner. Example: she swagged her way into the party, turning everyone's head. Examples: daily use sentences. 1. His new jacket gives him a lot of swag. 2. They gave away a lot of swag at the event, including bags and water bottles. 3. Everyone loved her swag at the party last night. 4. He swagged through the crowd like a superstar. 5. The swag from the concert included a cap and a poster. Swag often refers to a confident and cool style or appearance, especially in terms of fashion. It is also used to describe the free promotional items people get at events or giveaways. The slang meaning for swag originally referred to stolen items, but is now less commonly used in that way.